So I finally got my hands on one of these. The Smart Dumbbell. But is it actually worth the hype? They say one of these can replace your whole dumbbell set. I guess we'll find out if that's true. Alright, let's get to this unboxing. Right here you got a little quick guide to get you to the little register form. Right, show you everything about it. Little instruction thing again. And also welcome to the FitRx. And here we have it. So straight off the rip, I can say this thing is heavier than I expected. I opened another one earlier, so I'm not gonna try to redo my reaction, but it is a lot heavier than I thought it was gonna be. These particular ones only go to 25 pounds. They're on sale right now at Walmart. I think they're about $60. And the ones that go up to 50 are about $102. So if you want to go check them out. All that's left now is take these bad boys out, pick them up, put them down, and see if it's really worth the hype. So, final thoughts. Will this replace your whole dumbbell rack? I think it depends on just who you are. If you prefer the old dumbbells, then that's what you like. But if these do make things more convenient, they're right there. You just sit them back down, twist them. You got a different weight. You don't have to go back to the weight rack and pick up your different weights or anything like that. Perfect for a home gym setup, small like mine. But one downside to them, putting them in the rack, it might just be just because I'm new to them or whatever, but it ain't difficult, but it don't line up exactly right away. Other than that though, I like them. Obviously, I haven't really used them yet, so I'll be incorporating them into my workouts and whatnot, and I'll do a full review later on down the line.